Here's a Wavegenius Elliott wave forecast for April 2nd, 2014. I know you guys have been hearing about my short-term targets, and essentially the short-term target for S&P was 1892, and I called it when it was around 1850 approximately. And that is just the short-term target. Okay, just the short-term target. If you go back to the 3-month chart, we actually have a wave one, wave two flat into a third wave setup. And instead of just calling for a 7-point move and then that's it, I'm looking at this chart. I'm seeing on this 3-month chart, I'm seeing a very powerful third wave move. And in fact, it's very simple: one, two, three. ABC wave one, ABC flat to wave three. The highest target to have if it travels 1.618 times wave one in a wave three is not 1892. Okay, it's 2075. 2075 is basically 1.618 times the 140-point move of the first wave, second wave to the third wave. So if you're expecting it to go to 1892 tomorrow and then drop to like 1500, you got it all wrong, because this is just the start of a breakout of a very large third wave. And 2076 is just the initial target. For the Dow, essentially we have the same thing. We have wave one, wave two, wave three. This is just too simple to look at and too easy to draw a target on because it's so blatantly obvious, at least to me. First wave was 15,330 to 60,500. So you get wave one, wave two, and the third wave. The Dow broke the top of the first wave, which sets up the third wave. And if it goes 1, 2, 3 into a third wave, that's 1.618 times the first wave. It travels to as high as 17,950 to 18,000 on this third wave alone. For Nasdaq, see this chart is actually lagging, but when Nasdaq comes back in a big way, it comes back in a big way. So it was lagging for a bit behind the Dow and S&P, but when it comes back, it usually leads the way. So I'm expecting it to take out the top of the B wave this week around 4340 and form a third wave. If this is one zigzag, two into a three, this is a pretty obvious zigzag, ABC zigzag. If it takes out the top of the B at 4340, the highest target to have for Nasdaq would be about 4750 to 4800 in a third wave. The current positions are TQQQ, which was bought a while ago. That'll be wave one, wave two, wave three. I actually bought it around 67, so I'm kind of eating crow. But if it takes out 67, I'll if it takes out 67 or 0.76 of the zigzag, the highest target I have for the TQQQ would be as high as 16, as high as 80. So 1, 2, 3 in the zigzag for TQQQ. So I basically recovered about 6 points of the drop when I bought it from 67. And the other position I have is UPRO, which I bought at 100 and a quarter, actually 100.6, right at the intraday low. So wave one, wave two, wave three, and then UPRO target as high as 20, 30, 125 to the upside. So if I want to travel, if I want to hit this third wave completely, I'll try to go for 125, but I'll probably trade inside and out, in and out to while the third wave develops. That's a wrap.